Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of one of nature's most versatile superfoods, the avocado. Often referred to as a butterfruit, this creamy green gem isn't just a delicious addition to your toast or salad. It's packed with health benefits that can truly transform your well-being. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's explore the healing power of avocado. First things first, let's talk about what makes avocados so special. Did you know that avocados are technically a fruit? They belong to the berry family and are unique because they contain healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats are known for their heart-healthy properties and can help lower bad cholesterol levels while raising good cholesterol. This means that incorporating avocados into your diet can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Imagine enjoying a tasty guacamole while knowing you're doing something good for your heart. Now, let's dive deeper into the nutritional profile of avocados. One medium avocado contains around 250 calories, but don't let that number scare you off. Those calories come packed with nutrients. You'll find nearly 20 different vitamins and minerals, including potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. In fact, avocados contain more potassium than bananas. Maintaining adequate potassium levels can help balance sodium in the body, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Speaking of nutrients, let's not forget about the fiber content. A single avocado has about 10 grams of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and can even aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. If you're looking to improve your gut health, adding avocados to your meals can be a game changer. Plus, the soluble fiber in avocados can help lower cholesterol levels and stabilize blood sugar, making them an excellent choice for those managing diabetes. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are vital for eye health. These antioxidants work to protect your eyes from harmful blue light and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. So if you want to keep your vision sharp as you age, consider adding avocados to your diet. They're not just good for your heart, they're good for your eyes too. Now, let's talk about skin health. Avocados are packed with vitamins E and C, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties, helping to protect the skin from oxidative stress and damage caused by UV rays. Meanwhile, vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. You can even create a simple avocado face mask at home to nourish your skin from the outside in. Just mash up an avocado, mix it with a bit of honey, and apply it to your face for a hydrating treat. Another fascinating aspect of avocados is their ability to support brain health. The healthy fats found in avocados are essential for maintaining brain function and may even enhance cognitive abilities. Some studies suggest that the monounsaturated fats can improve memory and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So, if you're looking to boost your brain power, consider adding some avocado to your meals. Whether it's in a smoothie, a salad, or simply sliced on toast, those healthy fats can work wonders for your mind. Now, let's address a common misconception. People often think that eating fats will lead to weight gain. However, the truth is that healthy fats, like those found in avocados, can actually aid in weight loss. Because they're so nutrient-dense, avocados can help you feel satisfied and full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Plus, when you consume healthy fats, your body is better able to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So don't shy away from that avocado. Embrace it as a part of your healthy eating plan. If you're wondering how to incorporate avocados into your diet, the possibilities are endless. You can enjoy them sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or even mixed into your favorite pasta dishes. They can be the star of a fresh salad or a creamy addition to your favorite dips. And let's not forget about the classic guacamole. Just mash up some ripe avocados, add lime juice, diced tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, and you've got a delicious dip that's perfect for any occasion. For those of you who might be concerned about ripening avocados, here's a quick tip. If you want to speed up the ripening process, place your avocados in a brown paper bag with an apple or banana. The ethylene gas released by these fruits will help your avocados ripen faster. Conversely, if you want to slow down the ripening, simply store them in the refrigerator. As we wrap up our exploration of the healing power of avocados, it's clear that this incredible fruit offers a multitude of health benefits. From heart health to skincare, brain function to digestive support, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrition that can enhance your overall well-being. So the next time you enjoy a delicious avocado dish, remember that you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, you're nourishing your body in countless ways. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and delicious recipes. And remember, the next time you reach for that creamy avocado, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're embracing the healing power of nature. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.